Pabiling suka. Isang tingi.
Pabili po ng suka yung tingi.
Pabili po ng suka. yung tingi po.
Pabili po ng suka. Yung tingi.
Mga kada, nakita naman natin kung paano inacting ng ating mga kada sa kalsada ang linyang pabili ng suka, yung tingi. At merong okay ang acting, meron din namang walay. Pero ano nga ba ang kinakailangan? Ang kinakailangan para maging mahusay na aktor o aktres. Nako, don't take it from me. Ngayong araw, malalaman po natin mula sa isang premyadong aktres sa pelikula, telebisyon at teatro, with her daughter, equally impressive din po ang kanyang career sa larangan ng education. Kaya i-welcome na po natin si Miss Malu de Guzman and her daughter Luchi de Guzman Hoson. Hi! I love the cream! Terno! Hello! Hi po! Hi, ma'am! Long time! Hello po, ma'am! Hi, Luchi! Nice to meet you. Sige po, let's have a seat. Kamusta ka naman, Miss Malu?
Ma-beauty pa rin. Ayos naman, ayos naman.
Oo.
Ikaw, kamusta ka?
Okay naman po.
Ano pang pecha yon?
Wow!
Baka tinatanong nila, ano yung pecha?
Graduate po ako 1995.
O, yun na lang.
Tapos kayo po yung naging professor ko sa broadcast performance.
Broadcasting 124,
124.
television, speech, and performance.
Yun.
Wala pa kasing film noon, broadcast communications pa lang.
Oo. Nagtuturo pa
And
rin.
she's a very good student.
Ah, wow! Thank you!
Matindi ang mga productions ito. Oh, buong set
Oh
ng
my-
bahay nila, dinadala.
Mahilig talaga ako eh. Ever
Oo.
since, no, Miss Malu. Hindi na talaga ako lumihis. Pero
Oo,
nagtatrabaho pa rin po kayo, nagtaturo pa rin kayo up to now after 25 years.
25 years sa College of Mass Communication.
Wow.
Oo. Tapos, pero yung coaching ko, one-on-one, iba pang pagtuturo, ongoing since what? Since 88?
Wow.
Oo, until now.
Oo. Eh talaga naman pong ano no? You never stop teaching.
At-
diba?
And at the same time,
Imagine,
you never stop
pinapamalas ng-
learning.
Ay, correct. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Kung kaya't nandito kayong dalawa ngayon, you guys are going to talk to us about an acting workshop that's coming up this summer. It's called Energy.
Yeah.
Tama po
I
ba?
coined that actually last year when I started opening yung workshop ko. Kasi nga dati, sa academe lang, and then one-on-one, yung mga ganyan. And then, ang tawag ko nga pushers ko, mga pushers ko, especially yung
Luchi is one of them.
sila, yung mga anak ko, there's my other kid there, si Tina, who's part of the team also, na talagang i-push ko na sa public, i-open ko na sa public ang acting workshop. So, that time, about the same time, last year, April,
Yes.
we started our first batch.
For adults.
And then I coined that word nga, energy, because acting is actually discovery, Energy.
Oo.
That's parang ano din ng energy.
Yes.
But you journey inward.
Wow.
Oo,
Ang
you
lalim.
probe.
Lalim.
Oo,
Malalim.
maghuhukay ka. Dahil yan ang mga kailangan ng tools. Yung iyong mga nasa loob, ng mga iniisip, mga damdamin, emosyon, urges, impulses, yung mga ganun.
Eh, Miss Malu, paano yung mga kada nating wala masyadong experience? Can they still tap into it? What will they use for acting kung ganun?
Bilang tao, gagamitin lang naman natin. O, ang basic lang naman talaga dyan, alamin mo yung pagkatao mo na we use our senses. Eh, lahat naman tayo bilang tao may senses. Of course, meron tayong mga ibang hindi nga kumpleto, pero merong matitingkad silang senses na nakukompensate or nakukuha sa iba.
Luchi, why did you guys, you and your siblings,
Yes.
why did you think of, was it hard to convince your mom na, uy, take this public na. You've been
Honestly.
teaching for the longest time.
Honestly, it was kind of challenging at first. Kasi syempre, iba yung tuturo ka sa, in the comfort zone na kinasanayan mo mga artista na kasama mo. Iba ang approach kapag normal, yung mas common yung mga people na tuturuan mo. Kasi syempre talagang basic yun. So karamihan sa kanila talaga kailangan mong tuntunin yung mga basic terms. At yun, so medyo in-encourage namin siya na gawin na project. And ayun naman, naging maganda kasi nagtuloy-tuloy. Maraming interesado. So, nagtuloy-tuloy yung batches ng workshop.
Kasi siguro din, alam mo yun, it is not your typical or your usual acting workshop. Kasi nga energy, no? So there's a fun-filled
Yes.
journey, adventure. Kasi we make it really fun to discover yourself. Kasi acting is really about self, the self. Discovery mo, being human, ganyan.
Kayo ba ang student number 1 and 2 ni Mami?
Ay, naku!
I think bata pa lang kami. Na acting na kami.
Na-workshop
Na workshop kami ng matindi. Yes.
At ginamit mo ba to sa Mami mo rin?
I
Yung mga
think-
oras na.
I think
sa oras ng pangangailangan.
I think yung totoong parang naituro niya sa amin, nagamit namin siya of how to carry ourselves. Nung nagtatrabaho na kami, haharap na kami sa ibang tao because we are also professionals. We deal with families, with parents. So, doon ko naman siya na papasok. Yung mga tinuro niyang acting.
So, tinuro ni Mami yung acting, but you never used it for the industry.
Ako, hindi talaga ako nagtuloy doon. Pero siguro talagang pagka medyo naka-pattern din doon yung, your life. So parang dinadala kami together para yun yung gawin namin as a mom and daughter.
Well, those are two things that your mom is very known for. Teaching
Yes.
and also the acting workshops, di ba? So, there's both of it,
Yes.
both of those aspects in you. So, paano ba makakapag-sign up for these acting workshops? Can you tell us about the dates? At is it open to everyone, all ages ba to? Nakatutok na yung dalawa kong co-host to. Mga gusto mag-artista.
Pwede.
Welcome! Okay, ang parating namin yung sa teens.
Sa teens.
Actually, sa teens acting workshop kami may tandem.
Yes.
Magkasama because she really specializes in family life and child development. So, may component kasi yon na
Socio-emotional
which she could
learning.
explain. Yung sa teens.
Okay.
Okay?
Hindi lang siya basta acting dahil gusto mo lang gumaling maging artista. Siyempre, binabantayan din natin yung emotional development ng mga bata, lalo na sa panahon ngayon kasi maraming challenges. So, gusto natin iproseso kung paano nila minamanage yung emotions, paano mag-cope, paano i-resolve kung may mga conflicts, para mas maging effective artists. So, yun. As an educator, yun naman yung kino-contribute ko. We make sure na yung programa namin, yung workshop namin, madideal namin yung mga needs na yon ng age group na to.
Yeah. So, for the teens na, parang the first part, ang components nun, sa kanya yung pagproseso, yung socio-emotional
Yes.
learning component, nasa kanya yon. And then, meron dong module doon, may exercises doon na age appropriate, alam mo naman, for the teens. And then, ako yung transition into acting or how
The technicals.
these tools now, your emotions, sa kanya, regulation, control, and understanding responsibilities, tatawid ko to the craft.
Wow.
How you use this now as tools for acting.
That's nice.
Yes.
Kasi para siyang merong guidance.
Correct.
Dun sa mga teens natin.
Oo.
Tapos kung paano magagamit yun sa
Everyday life.
sa everyday life.
Oh, yes.
Or
Maliban
to,
sa acting.
to
Yung
pursue a
sa-
career
Correct.
in show
Yes.
business.
Oo.
Diba? Nagbago po ba ang style ng acting Miss Malu, through the years?
Oo naman siguro, kasi kung panahon nung araw, yung napanood ko, nung bata pa ako, nung black and white pa, nakatayo sila sa puno ng mangga. Tapos gaganyan sila, i-emote na doon. Ganon. Nag-evolve na rin yan hanggang sa, kumbaga, there was the representational, or yun na nga kung coming from the theater, representational. Okay? But now, with the yung medium kasi of television and film, there's the camera, there's, you know that, di ba? The lens that could zoom in. So we now go into the more intimate. So, evolve in the sense na mas makatotohanan.
Yes.
Mas realistic ang dating. Hindi yung parang titingin sa malayo.
Ni OA.
Mga ganun. Hindi ganyan. Yung mas humuhugot sa katotohanan. Ganun.
Kamusta maging mommy si Miss Malu na award-winning actress?
Very proud ako maging mommy siya.
Hoy!
Madrama ba si Miss Malu sa bahay?
Hindi. Pero she is a good teacher. Okay. So, not only in acting, not only in showbiz, but also inside the home. So, at lahat yon nakikita namin hanggang may mga apo na siya. I have 3 kids.
Yeah.
Yun. So, very doting grandmother.
Your kids are teenagers.
Yes.
Themselves.
Yes.
Kaya talagang
Kaya
feel na feel mo
talagang-
to.
Meron tayong pagpapraktisan ng ating mga...
In
ng mga-
fact, the first batch, kasama yung isa yun sa
Isang-
kambal eh.
one of our daughters.
Kaya talagang, this is your territory. You know what
Yes.
you're talking about, di ba?
We made sure we read about it, we researched about it, and of course, my mom's expertise dun sa acting.
Mga Kanet 25, this is Pia Guanyo Mago. For more Kada Umaga updates, please click the subscribe button and follow us on Net25 social media pages at Net25TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook page. See you guys. Bye!